This setup prints almost every day for me. I've been trading it for years now. And in this video, I'm gonna show you my bread and butter setup that made me 2K in around 30 minutes. So let's hop into the charts and waste no time. Okay guys, this is the setup I'm talking about. It's on NQ. It is around the New York opening time, and I've been trading this setup for almost 4 years now, and I'm learning it to all of my students as well, to show them how to build a trading system, to build a trading system of their own as well. And I'm gonna show you what I was looking at yesterday for this setup. Let's hop into replay mode. Let's delete those drawings and then let's see. So first of all, it was 15:30. That's the time when I trade. At 15:30, I always define market structure. I always trade with the M5 trend, and that's the first thing I always have to do. So here we have a pretty big leg to the downside. We grab liquidity of this leg, and between this leg we were just ranging, so I'm only interested in the extreme zones. And right here we grab the liquidity. Then I'm looking, okay, this low, which high brought us to this liquidity grab? It was this one, and this high was the one to break for bullish market structure. And currently at this time, market structure was bullish, as you can see right here. And then I'm just looking at the current highs and the current lows, and then that's it. Market structure is bullish at that point. Then I let my opening range form. So the 15 minutes from opening, I'm waiting, and now you can see those three candles, 30, 35 and 40, they are now formed. So this time is my opening range, top of this range and bottom of this range. And what I'm doing next is, okay, my bullish scenario would be, if we break above, I would trade along because market is bullish. We go above the opening range, my other rules are set as well. The other scenario is of course a short, guys. I am always preparing for both scenarios. Trading is not about telling the future. Trading is about reacting to certain outcomes with probabilities, and that's what I do. So what I also have done is I determined the low we have to break to switch bearish. And as we determined market structure earlier, this was the leg to the upside, and this low right here brought us to this new high, as you can see. So that was the valid low to break. And if we close two candles below here, then we are shifting market structure. And as you can see right here, when we created the range, we closed the first candle below, then we closed the second candle below. That confirms me this market structure shift. So now we are shifting to my bearish scenario. We are shifting to the short scenario, which M5 structure is bearish. We are now closing well below the opening range. That already gave me, in confluence with my other rules that I teach to my students, with the certain rules that I take for market structure and liquidity, all that stuff, that gives me all the confluence I need. I am taking my range low short entry, stop loss is at the range high, and my take profit target is the 1.5 R. That's always my set profit target. I take the fib tool from top of range to bottom to determine my 1.5 R target right here, and to determine my break-even point. 1.2 R is my break-even point, and 1.5 R is my full take profit, and that's set in stone every day, guys. It's with consistency and discipline executed. And after that, all I did, I was sending out the trade to all my members, to all my students, for them to learn as well, as you can see right here. And then we just waited for our entry to get filled. We got filled pretty much immediately at 4 p.m. And as you can see, price dumped immediately 20 minutes after I already sent out the signal that we are setting the trade break even, as you can see right here. Then all I had to do is wait, because then either is getting stop break even or we hit the full take profit target. And with the next M5 candle, we basically hit the full take profit target. Updated my crew, my students as well, because yeah, some of them also take those trades, of course. That's pretty much it, guys. It was a 30-minute trade. I risked 2K on this trade, 1.5 R. The outcome was profits. So that's all I need. That's all I want. I was in and I was out pretty quick. All my students learned from it as well. If you want to learn to build a trading system on your own, with me as your guidance, with me on my one-on-one mentorship, send me a DM on X or on Instagram, guys. Links are down below. We have a little chat, see if you are the right fit for it, and then we can get you started immediately. So guys, thank you all for tuning in. If you have any questions, of course, let me know in the comments down below. Subscribe and like, and then I will see you in the next one, guys. Peace out.